We're here at Port Walton Landing with Bobby Neighbors, owner of Liquid Surf and Sail, right up the road from the landing. And Mr. Neighbors, why do you favor expanding the existing no-wake zone here in the Santa Rosa Sound?
Well, in this particular part of the Sound, boat traffic continues to increase, and the amount of use goes up. And as the boats are moving faster and bigger, and with a lot more of them, it creates a lot of distractions on the water. So it does two things. By increasing the length of the no-wake zone in the high use areas, it's going to create less boat wakes for all the marinas and hotels and condos and boat launches. Makes it a little bit safer for everybody involved, and it helps with commerce from that standpoint. A lot of the restaurants and condos and hotels talk about the decreased volume of access by water as a result of just the big wakes that come by all the time and cause damage to the boats at the dock. So this will help with that, and it's not about limiting use on the water, but it's allowing more people to use the water safely. And I don't think there'll be a direct benefit to for my business per se, but I think overall it just allows for a safer boating environment in these tighter spaces.